in this case it's like you come up with different answer for, by now I know even though you didn't respond, you have different answers for each questions. So what I am trying to save your time here is that for each, instead of preparing for each question separately, I want to show you an answer where you can apply the same thing for all those questions. So I have a couple of more questions for you, but for time being I will be showing this. So imagine something like this. If someone asks you, describe the best gift or present you have ever received. So think like this. You are talking from your experience, from the knowledge, from your own experience, but instead here I will be using some storytelling technique. So it's like when someone asks you, describe the best gift, imagine your answer is painting. So, and if someone asks you, describe an old object which your family has kept for a long time, then for that also you can answer that painting. So next come, describe an antique piece at your house. Antique piece means which old, that thing. So it's like again the painting from any famous artist or something like that. Describe a painting or one second. Describe a painting or work of art. So it could be again painting. Then favorite wall adornment. It's for decorative purpose. What do you place over the wall? So it could be again painting. So like that you can answer several questions with the same one sample answer. So basically you are applying the same thing over to different questions. So I will show you the remaining. Just read one sample answers which I have prepared it for you, but you also have to prepare something like this. When you during your preparation time, you can think like this, okay, if I study for this, can I apply for something else? So just I will read out it later. First you read by yourself. In case if I am scrolling down, if you haven't seen or read that, please tell me. See, whatever I wrote here in this bracket, that is related to your pronunciation. Sometimes I have given the meaning also, like here in the green or in different colors. Just keep in mind that and read. I hope you have read. In case you have, if you haven't read, please tell me. If you, please pay your full focus, concentration over here, because if you didn't read this, you won't be able to understand anything which I am going to tell you. Have you read up to this? I will be explaining you later, not now, because I think it will be better if you read once. I hope by now all have finished reading, because I am not able to understand, because everyone's have muted their mic, so I am not able to understand you, but I will be explaining you.
Actually, ma'am, it's not visible for me, so I couldn't complete the reading.
Okay, till where you reached? Can you tell me?
It's okay, ma'am.
It's okay if you understand this only. You will be able to understand further. Where you have reached? Is it fine now?
Yeah, it's okay, ma'am.
You can see the screen, right?
Yeah, I can see now.
So basically what I am trying to do is that I am trying to fix all this particular answer to all different questions. That's what I am going to do. So if you haven't read, I won't be able to help you, and you won't be understanding what I am explaining here. So with this same point itself, I will be explaining you another questions also. So read this carefully. I will be explaining you now. So mostly you can start anything, like here they have asked for the favorite gift. So I started like this. My favorite gift is a painting. Its name is Tradition and Family. So when you learn something like this, it's I know most of you have prepared something like this by yourself. So instead of reading it out like this or trying to recall like this, my favorite gift is a painting, like that. When we are trying to present something, you should avoid that artificiality. So you can read like this, say like this. My favorite gift is a painting. Its name is Tradition and Family. The name of the painter, so you can say artist, is Raja Ravi Verma, the artist who fill our homes with colors. So every time you stick to one date instead of changing. So for each questions, if you are changing the date, then it will be difficult for you have to think. So better you stick with some particular dates or something like that. I got this gift from my uncle on my 18th birthday. So all this same paragraph, same introduction sentence, you can apply for several questions. It was in the year 2005 while I was studying for my first year any college name. I got this painting as a gift. So mostly you go for any fixed answer for all questions. See, I have given the meaning here over here in the brackets. So the painting looked absolutely stunning. See, one of the criteria is the lexical resource. So it's mandatory for you when you are preparing for an cue card, you have to include more vocabularies for you. That's the reason why I have given some vocabularies here. In case if you don't know, just learn the new words. The painting looked absolutely stunning. I felt almost surreal, which means dream-like. When I got this gift, I couldn't believe my eyes, as it goes like a dream come true for me. You just don't have to stick with the same sentence. I just grasp the idea, that's it. So painting is of a beautiful girl with gorgeous wavy hair. So anytime, if in any cue card, if they are asking about a person, okay, at that time, so many cases, best friend, or like I guess nearly 25 or some questions cue cards are there for the person itself. Just study in that same, apply the same logic to everywhere. The painting is of a beautiful girl, avoid that, and then say my friend has gorgeous wavy hair with a lovely blue eyes, adorable beatish or lightish complexion, charming luscious lip. Actually what's it written in the CI, that is you shouldn't pronounce that. The correct one will be luscious lips with extraordinarily sharp and striking features. So this same point itself you can apply several places. Wherever they are asking for a person, even I will show you how I applied that for a dog. So like that. So gorgeous wavy hair, lovely blue eyes. I won't be repeating the same point again and again. So in order to avoid, I am repeating it again. Please pay attention. Gorgeous wavy hair, lovely blue eyes, adorable lightish complexion, charming luscious lip. See, in case if there is 1 minute for preparation, I never noted anything in my examination. In case if you want, just write glaze, GLACE, which means gorgeous, G lovely, A for adorable, and C for complexion, and the charm. Like that you can note some. Then in that 1 minute, if you want to note down something, just note down some secret codes or any tricks which you already know. So now this sentence you can apply for anything related to nature. Whenever they are asking about any photography, whenever they are asking about any park, any countryside which you have visited, just apply this sentence everywhere. Like this kind of, I am not asking you to stick with the sentence, go for the idea. So it's like in this painting, it's like standing in the backdrop for picturesque hill, luscious valley, surrounded by verdant green landscape and midst of idyllic countryside, perfect countryside. So it's like this sentence will be related to home. Okay. Whenever there is in speaking part 1, there is about your home, accommodation, anything. So with this one sample sentence you won't be able to answer all those questions, but you will be able to combine. This is how you have to think. One answer apply everywhere. Looking at her home constructed in a traditional architectural style with sloping roof and clay tiles placed on the wooden rafters with grand and splendid facade. So it's like, even though spelling it looks like this, the pronunciation look entirely different than this. Painting look so colorful. So when they ask about the rainbow, okay, anything, whatever you are feeling like, even for the nature, it's looking like a perfect picture. So painting looks so colorful and splendid that many people have felt as if the rainbow itself had been grabbed from the sky and squeezed inside that painting. So when you say, in most question I can show you, here you see, they are asking for explain why. So we have to explain by point wise, firstly, secondly, thirdly, finally, moreover. These are the vocabularies which you can say to point out anything. So likewise, okay, you can say like this, I really adore this painting for an array of reasons. Whatever you are loving, anything, whatsoever, why it is favorite, just tell, I really adore this painting for an array of reasons, several reasons, as it has influenced my life in several ways. So next we are telling why we like this, point wise. Firstly, this painting is done by Raja Ravi Verma, painter par excellence. See, painter par excellence or chef par excellence, it shows the excellency. You can apply the same thing in your general writing letter, chef par excellence, what you would like to become. I would like to become a chef par excellence. So same vocabulary learning one time, applying everywhere. He made about 3 pieces of it. I have got one of it. This is very rare and expensive gift. Secondly, this gift has been quite propitious to me. So whenever someone, anything is there, propitious means lucky, fortunate. Propitious to me, lot of good things happen in my life. See, even if you are telling that my favorite cloth is that I wear the same clothes for my all my interviews or anything like that, you have to say propitious. So it's like they are not going to judge you. Whatever you are going to tell, that is the correct answer for them. Lot of good things happen in my life after I got this painting, and lot of positive outcome had followed my possession of this gift. So also this gift may be the center of attraction. If you are going wearing particular sari, then that made you the center of attraction. Your personality made you the center of attraction, anything. Among my friends, many of my friends never had a painting, let alone, not to mention, that is the meaning, such a rare and expensive gift. Hence the painting was an object of envy for my friends. Suppose if you have a car, then it's an object of envy for my friends, and I'm very attached to this gift. That become part of myself and extension of my personality. Finally, it helps me to reminisce, means remember, of my uncle who presented this gift to me. It showed his unending love. Wherever you have to talk about some relationship, go for some sentences which will be helpful for you. Unending love and abundant affection which he showered upon me by giving it as a gift. Hence, for all aforementioned reason, this is my favorite gift. In case I have given instruction that I shouldn't be giving you answer like this, so in that case, if you want, you can just take a screenshot. So otherwise I won't be coming back to the same page now. Okay, I hope you have taken the screenshot. So I'm moving on. See, I have given synonyms and meaning like this. In case you don't know, you can just take one snap. Whenever you are studying something new vocabulary, go for, please check with the pronunciation also. This is some other useful sentence which like this you can apply everywhere. I will be skipping on this. Now suppose if you get a question like this, describe your favorite pet. How can the painting related to pet, right? So you will be basically sticking with this idea. I told you, like my German Shepherd has gorgy wavy hair with lovely blue eyes, adorable. From here you will be taking that point. Adorable, lightish complexion, charming leisure sleep, all those points. That is my dog. So you don't have to talk about the background or that. In case if you want to talk about this, like I also built a dog kennel. Kennel means dog house for my dog, and it looks like this with the same points. You can just write like that. See, remaining all points you can just apply everywhere. Like when I got this gift, it was a gift. It's propitious to me. Lot of positive things have happened after that. The same trick I will be, so this is some extra things which I have, particularly like this. If you lack some points, you just have to prepare particular points for that particular question only. So you can tell something like this. It gives if I build a dog kennel, if in case if you have to speak more in case of 2 minutes, it which provides security protection from various weather conditions. So, and I will help him for taking bath or something like that, you can say. Same idea you will be able to, because no one is responding here. I hope you are getting my points. Am I clear with you?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So it's like same idea. You can use the same idea for your house accommodation, like it gives protection. That dog's house we are changing to our house. So provide security protection from various weather conditions. That's the reason why I like my house. Now it's like talk about a toy you liked in your childhood. So you have to say what you have to say. See the questions and just modify a little. So in case, see one paint, I started from painting. I am correlating everything like this. Talk about a toy you liked in your childhood. It's a Barbie doll with a Barbie house. That dog kennel we are changing to Barbie house, and gorgeous wavy hair, everything you can apply here except few part. Everything introduction section you can go for the same. See, I used to play with Barbie doll. I used to play with him, talking for a walk, taking out for a walk, giving him a bath, and all those sentences like this. You can frame your own sentence. I think you are noting down the question also. Just take the snaps down, write a note. So there will be a lot of questions where they will be expecting you to talk about good memories that you have. Suppose in case of photograph, why you took that photograph, why you like that photograph is your favorite. Then that shows something, right? And souvenirs, vacations, gift, old movies. So it's all related to some memories that you have. Mostly it will be good. So in that case, if you are studying something like this, that it's always fun, or rollicking fun means lively and amusing. Just read this once. So during that vacation, I had so many wonderful experience, wonderful time I had during those days, during those vacations. Like that, you are supposed to change the idea. Likewise, in case of relationships also, basically, if you study something to talk about relationships, you can apply everywhere. So to catch up with the development of my life, of my friends, and strengthen the bond we have, and generally renew the commitment towards our relationship. So it's like where you are going for vacation, so I will be able to catch up with the development of my life, of my friends, strengthen the bond which we have, why we need relationship, why we want that family bond. That's the idea. Describe something you made yourself for your friend. So in this case, you can say like that, I made a painting for my friend. So you can talk about all the points from the initial section, and then you can say like this, instead of I adore this as my favorite gift, you can say like that, she said that to me that she adored this gift of mine for an array of reason, and then repeat everything written over the, and then you can say like that, because of that I was also really happy for her, because I something you made yourself for your friend. Again, this is describe something you made by hand for your friend. This is almost like similar only. Somewhere like sub questions will be changing, so keep this sub question in your mind and then change the answer. I hope you have read this. In case if you have doubt, please talk to me, then only I will be able to help you. Okay, now I am changing the same answer to describe your favorite piece of cloth. So in this case, what I am going to do is that most of the sarees, I am not saying regarding the guys here, but you can prepare the separate answer if you want. It's like, otherwise you can go for the answer with kurta, kurti, right? So it's like the traditional sari with the same design of a paint who is looking like all these things. Then you tell some points like, this was a gift, my sari was a gift, and in that sari all this design was there, it was quite propitious to me, it was quite helpful at relationship, it strengthened the bond which I have, or those same points. See, like instead of preparing something separate for a favorite piece of cloth, this is nowhere related. If you are studying something by yourself, you will be preparing different answer for this, and how much time you will be wasting for preparation. So it saves your time, I guess so. So describe a piece of clothing you like to wear. This is a describe your favorite piece of clothes. Similar question only, sub question only, it will be, there will be any difference. So once again, just I will be discussing the question because with you. So with the same answer I applied the same answer for the best gift, old object which your family has kept for a long time, antique piece, painting, wall adornment, favorite pet, toy you like, something you made yourself for your friend, something you made by hand for your friend, favorite piece of cloth, favorite piece of clothing you like to wear. So with the same sample answer, here I have given you 10 questions.